Well, with those claim jumpers, I decided to let them stay. I told them not to leave any garbage laying around. They made a big hole, fill it back in, do a reclaim, but do not go upriver where I am, because that's where I am. What a nice guy. That is a result of rusted pioneering sharing the river. Could have kicked them off, made some very unhappy people, create a scene. You never know. Regardless, I let them stay. They stayed for a couple hours and got some gold, got some shiny. Well, thanks for hanging and waiting to see what happened. Have a great day and continue watching. As soon as we pull over, jump out of the truck, go in the box of the truck, and Mrs. Rusted Pioneering found us a skull. A deer skull on the side of the road with some remains of the bones. Thought we'd show it off. It's something, right? Let the adventure begin. Crazy.
So this is what Nick does for me.
What? After walking down to the river, we got to the top and we discovered some blueberries.
Show me, Dad.
And some ripe blueberries. So of course, I had to try one to see if it was actually a blueberry. It was a blueberry, obviously. But funny thing is, over 30 years ago, 35 years ago, my old man used to pan on this river, and he'd take me along with him. As much as I didn't want to go, I went. And I learned quite a few things from him. But needless to say, when I was growing up, he planted blueberries at the house, in the yard, while I was a child. So, I had no idea. Maybe it's a sign. These are his blueberries. Maybe not. But, pretty cool to find. Blueberries on the river. Now, if you're hoping to see more, stick around to the next episode.